Sometimes we think that flying is only about rising into the air, but flying is a bridge. Flying is a promise. It is the certainty that no distance is strong enough to break a bond. Airplanes were born for war, but they chose a more beautiful destiny, becoming messengers of peace. Every time an airplane takes off, someone returns home, someone reunites, someone finds their way.
Aviation taught me that we are all meant to fly, even if it's only with the heart.
Being an instructor is not about teaching maneuvers, it's about accomplishing our dreams.
When a pilot learns something new, I rebuild myself too.
Here, I found a family that shares its wings.
We don't see students, we see stories.
From our desk, we embrace those ones who are far away.
When an airplane takes off, I think about the mother, the father, and a friend that is waiting on the other side.
Here, all we are part of the journey, even when we are not flying the airplane.
We are a family, and you, our students, are our engine. We are here to support you, accompany you, and guide you. We hope your dreams become the path that shortens someone else's distance. We exist because of you, families. You who wait at home, who trust, who celebrate every achievement as if it were your own. Thank you for sustaining the dream from the ground, for every hug postponed, for every I miss you that you held back so they wouldn't get discouraged. In a world that sometimes hurts, aviation heals, because flying doesn't separate, it brings people closer. Thank you for allowing us to accompany you on the most exciting flight of your life, a journey of learning. May this Christmas remind us of what truly matters. Flying is an act of love. Every takeoff brings hearts closer. Every flight is a bridge, and every bridge is a moment of gathering.
Hello everyone. We want to wish you a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year. We want to thank you for everything, for being part of this family, for choosing ADF. And this video has been done with a lot of love from all the family in ADF, trying to give you a message what aviation means to the whole world, because it's a connection. So definitely, thank you. Let's keep on flying. Let's fly safe. And thank you very much. Happy New Year.
Y hola a todos, es un placer acompañarlos una vez más en uno de los videos que hacemos con mucho cariño como familia de ADF para compartir un detalle con ustedes y darles las gracias por todo este año que ha pasado y por su dedicación y compromiso, y sobre todo por elegirnos. Queremos desearles que tengan unas bonitas fiestas, una muy feliz Navidad y un muy bonito año nuevo, y los mejores de los éxitos en este año que viene para todos nosotros. Felicidades y muchas gracias.